The weather in Ahmedabad may play spoilsport on Friday in the Indian Premier League 2023 opening match between defending champions Gujarat Giants and Chennai Super Kings, after both the teams were forced to move indoors on Thursday due to sudden rains. On Thursday, rain gods opened suddenly while both teams were training at the Narendra Modi Stadium. Kane Williamson, who will don Gujarat Titans colours this season, was seen running inside with 4 bats on his back. Other players too rushed inside immediately. CSK players too were seen taking shelter inside the dugout. On the other hand, Gujarat head coach Ashish Nehra went back in time to enjoy the first drops of rain.